Did you know that more than 80% of investors and traders in cryptocurrencies lose all their money? The main reason is that they do not follow 7 fundamental rules that are absolutely essential for success in this field. These are rules you must understand and apply if you really want to be among the winners. Most people think that the cryptocurrency market is easy. They buy a basket of tokens hoping for a 10x, 20x, or even a 100x profit. Unfortunately, this is not the reality. This market is, above all, a psychological and emotional game. You need a real handbook to navigate it properly. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 basic rules to apply before even thinking about entering this world. If you put them into practice seriously, you will have a much greater chance of succeeding. You'll be able to stay in this market for the long term and not just for a few months like the majority who eventually quit. Very soon, we might experience a bull run and a strong upward market. If you watch this video in time and follow the advice, you will benefit from it and hopefully be grateful later. By applying these rules with discipline, you can become part of the minority, 10, 15, or 20%, who actually make money in this space. If you are new, let me tell you that I am an investor and a financial coach in the field of digital assets and cryptocurrencies. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any useful content. Now, let's begin with the first rule. Investing in cryptocurrencies is like playing chess. It's a game with specific rules. Those who know and apply these rules have a much higher chance of succeeding, while those who enter without preparation are much more likely to lose. The first rule: do not invest in this field before you are ready. How do you know if you are ready? Before marketing convinces you with promises of quick riches, take a step back and check 4 things. First, make sure you have a stable income. Second, build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. Third, make sure you have no debts. Finally, clearly define your personal financial goals and commit to them. When these conditions are met, you can move forward. The second rule: never invest in something you don't understand. Do your own research. Don't buy an asset just because you heard a recommendation on Twitter or saw a trending YouTube video. Even if the project is good, if you haven't studied it, you risk losing. Understand the project, its purpose, the team behind it, the sector it operates in, and its tokenomics. Ask yourself, if we remove the token, does the project still have a viable business model? Also check whether the investment is ethical and aligned with your values. The third rule: only invest money you are fully prepared to lose. Imagine your wallet disappeared completely overnight. Would your life continue normally? If the answer is no, then you are investing too much. In crypto, most people lose, and emotional volatility is very high. The fourth rule: never use leverage, futures, or margin trading. Not only are the financial risks enormous, but there are also serious moral and ethical concerns around these practices. No matter how tempting the quick profits may seem, most people end up losing everything. The fifth rule: set clear goals and an exit strategy before you even buy an asset. The market is extremely volatile, and this directly impacts the psychology of an investor. To handle this, it's better to divide your portfolio into several parts. For example, one fund for long-term holding, like Bitcoin, another for seasonal cycles, another for high-risk trading, and one more for speculative plays. One simple strategy you can use is the 50% rule. Every time your investment doubles, you take out your initial investment or lock in profits. The sixth rule: treat everything as a scam until proven otherwise. In this space, we say, don't trust, verify. Do not trust anyone blindly, not even the most experienced people. Protect your personal data and never share your private keys anywhere. Use only well-known platforms and never store all your funds on centralized exchanges. They're just like banks, and they can shut down or get hacked. Instead, use cold wallets, spread your assets across multiple platforms, and manage your risks carefully. Be cautious of fake promises of quick returns, fraudulent airdrops, and impersonators who pretend to be influencers. Always stay vigilant, and never believe offers that seem too good to be true. Finally, the seventh rule: control your emotions. The market is driven by fear, greed, and collective psychology. Whales and market makers use this to manipulate prices. You will experience excitement and euphoria when everything is green, and panic when the market crashes. It's an emotional roller coaster. To succeed, you must learn to control these emotions. Don't give in to the fear of missing out when you're afraid of missing an opportunity just because prices are rising, and don't panic sell at the bottom when everything looks red. These are the 7 essential rules you must apply before entering the world of cryptocurrencies. Write them down, apply them strictly, and you will have a real chance of lasting in this market. Because in the end, those who succeed are those who stay for the long term, who go through multiple market cycles, and who really understand how this world works. Many people buy at the top, sell at the bottom, and leave the market in losses. Don't make that same mistake. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell. Thank you, and see you soon.